So I have received information from my sources, and right now the situation on the Pakistan-Afghanistan border is extremely tense and has escalated into a significant military exchange. So here is a breakdown of what's happening right now on the border. According to multiple security sources, this episode began when Afghan forces believed to be Taliban troops initiated unprovoked firing across several points along the Pakistan-Afghan border. The areas targeted included Angur Adda, Bajor, Kuramdir, Chitral in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and even Baramcha in Balochistan. The Pakistan Army was prepared. Their post, described as vigilant and alert, immediately retaliated with what's being officially termed a full-scale, intense, and effective response. This counterfire is not just a tit for tat; it's being reported as a powerful military action that is still ongoing as we speak. So the response was so swift and severe that it reportedly forced the Afghan Taliban forces to retreat, abandoning their post and leaving behind the bodies of their dead comrades. So my sources indicated this wasn't just a random firing. The Afghan side had a clear objective to provide covering fire to facilitate the cross-border infiltration of terrorist group referred to as Khawarij or outsider into Pakistani territory. So this suggests a deliberate attempt to destabilize Pakistan's border region. Pakistan's immediate and forceful retaliation served a dual purpose. So the first purpose was to directly neutralize the immediate threat by destroying the Afghan firing positions, and number two was to send a strong unambiguous message to the Taliban government in Afghanistan that such provocations will be met with decisive force regardless of the consequences. So the larger political context to this was the timing of this incident is critical, and in the view of many analysts is unlikely to be a coincidence. This border aggression is happening at the very same time that Afghanistan's foreign minister is on an official visit to New Delhi, India. Pakistan has long been suspicious of a strategic alliance between the Taliban-led Afghanistan and its arch rival India. This event will be undoubtedly be seen in Islamabad as a coordinated move, potentially with Indian backing or encouragement to open a second front and pressure Pakistan on its western border, while its primary focus remains on its eastern frontier with India. Right now, we are looking at a serious border clash initiated by Afghan Taliban forces, which Pakistan claims was an attempt to push terrorists across the border. So the Pakistan army has responded with overwhelming force, reportedly inflicting heavy casualties and destroying Afghan posts. The incident is deeply tied to the high stakes geopolitics of the region, with Afghanistan's outreach to India serving as a major flashpoint. So the situation remains volatile and the border tension is still ongoing.